Good morning, children. Today we are learning worksheet number 5. We meet the pterodactyls. So, who met the pterodactyls? Let us see. Professor Challenger, Professor Summerlee, Lord John Roxton, and Edward Malone have gone to South America in search of living dinosaurs. So here you can see that the 4 people in the picture. So among them, the two are they are the professors. That is Professor Challenger and Professor Summerlee. And who are they here? From the left side, from your left hand side, if you could see, that he is Malone. Then we have the Summerlee standing over. Then you have the Challenger sitting again. Then here we have Lord John. So why did they come there? They went to South America to see the living dinosaurs. Now these 4 people are in South America in search of living dinosaurs. We walked slowly through the woods. After 2 or 3 miles, we came to a place where the ground was scattered with large rocks. We went carefully up to the rocks and looked over there. So what has happened? These 4 people started walking through the woods. Then after they walked about 2 to 3 miles, they could see a land in which they have the number of rocks. A big rocks you can see as like mountains. So when they went towards the rocks, what they could see? Let's see. There was a large hole in the ground with green pools at the bottom. The whole place was filled with hundreds of pterodactyls. The young ones moved around the water. The mothers were sitting on their yellowish eggs. The males were tall and grey. They sat on stones with their huge wings closed, looking as if they were wrapped in shawls. So what has happened? When they started moving, what they could see? They saw that there was a hole, a very big hole in the ground with a green pools. It seems that the water is green in color in those areas. And in that place, they could see it is filled with hundreds of pterodactyls. Pterodactyls are nothing but the types of birds which could fly, which lived at the time of dinosaurs. Actually, these 4 people went in search of dinosaurs, but they strangely met a bird that is known as pterodactyl. So there they could see pterodactyls. So what they are doing? The young ones means that the baby pterodactyls are moving around the water. The mothers were sitting on it, on their eggs, and the males were of tall and grey in color. And it seemed that because of their huge wings, looked like that they were wrapped in shawls. It seems that they are wearing shawls. The professors pointed at the fish and dead birds as the food of these creatures. Suddenly, Challenger, while talking to the Samali, put up his head over the rock. At once, the nearest pterodactyl gave a shrill cry. All the males flapped their 20-foot wide wings and flew up into the air. Soon they were flying round and round us. So what happened? As they are professors, they went to search all the things. So by seeing that what the professors did, they pointed at the fishes what these pterodactyls are eating. The fishes and the dead birds was their food. So what has happened? Challenger, one of the member from their professor, while talking to Summerlee, one professor talking to the other professor said that you just see over to the rocks. When he put his head over the rock, what has happened? When the pterodactyl was a small baby pterodactyl which was very near to that stone, gave a sound of cry. By listening that, the male started flapping its wings, means started moving its wings and started flying into the air. Now soon they started surrounding this all four people. So the remaining part we shall learn in the next class. Thank you.